Let's make sticky date or sticky toffee pudding. Obviously we need dates. Chop 2 cups of dates and add them to a bowl with a cup of boiling water and a teaspoon of baking soda. Give that a stir and allow it to soak for 10 minutes. If you're using fresh dates, you don't need to soak them. Now preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And then grease or line your cake tin. Now to make our pudding, add 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt and half a cup of melted vegan butter. Give that all a stir and then add in the soaked dates and the liquid. Stir to form a smooth pudding batter. It should be a light brown with dark chunks of dates. Pour the pudding mixture into the prepared tray and then place it in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. While the pudding's cooking, I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers. We're currently at 1,038. Now make a quick caramel sauce with half a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of cornflour, 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, and half a cup of plant milk. Whisk everything to form a smooth sauce. Once the sauce starts to boil and thicken, turn off the heat and set aside. Remove from the oven once it's cooked. You'll know it's ready when it's golden brown. It comes away from the edge of the tin, and when a skewer inserted in the centre comes out clean. To serve, cut your pudding into pieces, spoon over the warm caramel sauce, and finish with a scoop of vegan ice cream. Fluffy, creamy and sweet caramel, a delicious dessert. To see more of my vegan recipes, click here, or if you're new and haven't subscribed yet, click there.